the water's gone down overnight about, you know, a foot.
That's no good, that's no good, that's no good.
But if they can't get up it, then nor can we. Overnight, this whole thing has created a very hard edge. So if you drop over there, you just go down nose first. So if you're on the back with all the bikes and everything, but all the bikes will just slide off. If somebody gets over the other side, we're going to have to just create our own ramp. I mean, mate, this is the road of bones. You have to be responsible for taking part of it apart.
Good system.
Yeah.
It keeps me trying, and I'm just looking.
The ramp worked, didn't it?
Hey, rock and roll!
We constructed a new piece of the road of bones.
We made a difference, yes we did. Drink, давай.